Hey all, Will Healy here, and I have a special treat for you. I'm going to read Santa's Modern Toy Shop by Lacy Wise of the Advanced Manufacturing Industry Partnership. And at the AMIP, we work in the Cincinnati tri-state area to spread the good news of manufacturing, connect manufacturers to workforce, and I just thought this book was great that Lacy put together for the AMIP. So. Sandy and Finn are Santa's lead elves. They live in the North Pole and their job is making sure every child on the nice list will get presents from Santa and that those presents will get delivered on Christmas Eve. This is a very rewarding job for elves. With an estimated 1.9 billion children all over the world, Santa trusts his team to make all the toys, wrap the presents, and pack them in his sleigh to deliver all the kids on the nice list. Together, Santa and his trusted elves have learned the fastest ways to make toys. The elves use computers to keep track of how many toys are ready and how many they need to complete by Christmas. The elves can see the quantities and style of toys needed from anywhere. For their safety, anytime the elves are in a North Pole workshop, they wear hard hats, safety glasses, and steel-toed slippers. Sandy's main job is to make sure she has enough material to make the toys. Her elves order and load materials like plastic resin, metal, and wood into the machines. Once a batch of toys are complete, Finn's team of elves carefully look over all the toys. They remove any broken parts and use conveyor belts to send the toys that pass inspection to be wrapped. Robots are used to stack and wrap all the toys. Once a toy is ready, Finn and his team will check it again and assign it to a child on the nice list. They keep track of who will receive it and where each toy will be delivered. Sometimes the sequence of making toys is stopped because the equipment breaks down or the elves did not order enough material. Some elves are great at tinkering. They can repair any damaged robot, conveyor, or machine. With help from all the elves performing their jobs, Santa's workshop can produce toys all year round, even when the elves are sleeping or playing outside. On Christmas Eve, Santa's sleigh is filled with the correct number of toys. Santa checks his list and compares it to the elves' data. After Santa takes off in his sleigh, the elves collect more materials to begin production for next Christmas. As long as the machines are running smoothly, Santa and the elves can do their jobs from the North Pole or take a vacation. Santa's got a plane ticket there, you see that? That was Santa's Modern Toy Shop by Lacy Wise, and she did that for the Advanced Manufacturing Industry Partnership. And what we do is we work together on workforce topics in our local community. And I recommend that you look around your community and see if you can find an organization like AMIP, because we're going to solve our skills gap problems and our talent pipeline problems by working together. So until next time, ask yourself, what will I automate next?